Hello everyone, I Dr. Piyush Gowrav, Assistant Professor from Department of Periodontology from Babu Banasidas College of Dental Sciences will be dealing with the topic oral irrigation. So start with the introduction. It's targeted application of a pulsated or steady stream of the water for removing the debris. Oral irrigating devices forces the steady or pulsating stream of water over the gingival tissue and teeth with the goal of removing unattached debris, loosely attached biofilm, and reducing the concentration of the bacteria and the periodontal pathogens. So objectives divide in two parts: supragingival irrigation and subgingival irrigation. Supragingival irrigation includes to diminish the gingival inflammation by disturbing the biofilm coronal gingival margin, and subgingival irrigation goal to reduce the number of bacteria in the periodontal pocket spaces. Second is the disruption and dilution of the bacteria and their products from within the periodontal pockets. Home and self-applied irrigation. The oral irrigator, also called a dental water jet or water faucers, that is introduced in 1962. Contrary to myth and misunderstanding, the body of evidence on this device has constantly shown that it safely and effectively improves the periodontal health. So different type of the irrigation solutions. First is the chlorhexidine, second is the iodine iodine, third is the water, and fourth is the stannous fluoride, then tetracycline and listerine. Different type of fluid penetration depth. Toothbrush penetrates the 1 to 2 mm, rinsing penetrates the 2 mm, flossing penetrates the 3 mm, dental water jet penetrates the 6 mm. So toothpick, wooden wedge and interdental brushes depends on the size of the embracer. So coming to the mechanism of the action of the irrigation, the mechanism of action of irrigation is the pulsation and the pressure. So it work by pulsation and pressure. Pulsation creates the decompression phase that allow the water and solution to penetrate the subgingivally. It followed by the compression phase that expel bacteria and debris from the pocket. So it's act as a simultaneous effect, that is pulsation and that after the pressure. Physiologically, pulsation along with the pressure and water velocity creates the shared hydraulic forces that are capable of removing the bacteria biofilm from the treated area. Clinically, efficiency of the home irrigation has been found for unit that pulsate from the 1200 to 14 pulses per minute set at the minimum of 60 psi. So 1200 to 1400 is the RPM and the pressure is the 60 psi. The oral irrigator is safe to use at the highest pressure settings. So this figure showing the flushing zone and the impact zone. Flushing zone, that means where the flows are indicated, and impact zone where the debris activity are more and bacterial action are more. The pulsation creates two zones of the hydrokinetic activity, the impact zone and the flushing zone. This figure shows the electronic devices for the oral irrigation that act on the 1200 ppm and pressure setting of range of 20 to 90 psi. So this was the oral irrigation and different type of solution that has been used for the irrigation that act on the embraces area and cause the less loading of the bacterial loads on that area. Thank you.